Another thing people complain of, I actually had a patient complain to me last week that they had been home more working because of all the things going on, and they developed a little bit of sacrum or low back pain. So we can talk about how we reduce that in a small way. Sitting is 6 to 8 times more compressive than anything else we can do. Gravity just works against us, so sometimes we'll get pressure through the lumbar spine, and it can refer into our low back, it can refer into our sacrum, which is like the coccyx region, like your tailbone, and it can refer to your legs. So if you sit a lot, you can get pain. The first thing I recommend you do, take your phone out, take your wallet out. I think it puts a lot of pressure on the lumbar spine you just don't need. Second thing you can do is if you come around to the side right here and you look at my pelvis, a lot of people, they get forward like this, so it puts a lot of arch in their back. Sit back against your seat, tuck your pelvis just a little bit. You gotta be careful because some injuries that can bother, but I would work on just tucking your pelvis a little bit and trying to hollow your core, so you work on your abdominal muscles and your butt muscles supporting your lumbar spine. The third thing is to get up and move around. I'm generalizing with a lot of these conditions, so if you have pain with any of them, you shouldn't do it. But another thing you can do is not sit for long durations. I'd say about every 30 minutes you want to get up and just move around and walk around. It'll take pressure off the spine, and you can kind of reduce the stress that's been there all day long. All these tips and tricks are really generalized statements. If any of them give you pain, you shouldn't do them. For most effective spinal treatment for neck pain and headaches and low back pain, you really should be assessed by a physical therapist at Dash Physical Therapy. We specialize in spinal care and all kinds of orthopedic conditions. But those are some tips and tricks that you can do while some of us are forced to stay home at this time.